How to fix Messenger story not showing up. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basant, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix Messenger story not showing up. Now basically Messenger gives latest updates and various updates. So what you want to do first thing first is you want to go ahead and check for any updates. Check if any update is available on your Play Store or App Store depending on your device, and there if the update is available you want to update it. Now after the update the story option might be changed, so you want to check out the options available. Now after the latest update, if you open up Messenger, if you head into stories option at the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see the stories. So basically you want to look out for updates. The second thing is you want to check that your network connection is secure and this story is not loading up. Make sure that story is not loading up due to the network connection. Now the other thing is you want to check for server outage from the Facebook ends. If there is a server outage, then it might cause the issue. In that case, what you want to do is you want to wait for a couple of hours. Now if this all doesn't help, you can go ahead and clear your Messenger cache. To do so, scroll down your notification bar, tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen, scroll all the way down below until you find the option apps. Under apps, what you want to do is you want to look out for Messenger, search in for Messenger, you want to open it up, scroll down, head into stories, and there you'll find the option to clear cache. Check clear cache and check if it's working, and if it doesn't, simply tap on clear data and this will delete all your application's data, your files and settings, and it'll remove any glitches and bugs within the app. After you do so, you can go ahead and check for any update again on the Play Store and then reopen the Messenger by logging into your account, and this might fix the issue. So this way you can fix Messenger story not showing up. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.